This lecture video. In this video, I am going to explain the experiment optical fiber and how to perform this experiment. So let us go to the experimental part. So this experiment comes under engineering physics lab prescribed by VTU. So here the aim of the experiment is determination of cone acceptance angle or angle, that is acceptance angle, and numerical aperture of an optical fiber. So cone acceptance angle is represented by theta and numerical aperture is Na, that is the light gathering capability of an optical fiber. So how to perform this experiment? So optical fibers are transparent dielectrics, consists of core and cladding. When a beam of light traveling from denser to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. So for a particular angle of incidence, theta, it will just grazes the boundary, and for a particular angle greater than the critical angle theta, it will bends back into the same medium. So it will works on the principle of total internal reflection. So here the light coming out of optical fiber is allowed to fall upon the screen. So it will be available in the form of a circular spot as shown in the picture. So here we are going to measure the diameter of the spot formed, and hence we can able to measure the distance of the screen from the source. That has to be done. So how to done or how to perform this experiment? So the light coming out of the optical cable is allowed to fall upon the screen, which is kept at a distance f from the screen source. If d is the diameter of the circular spot formed, then the cone acceptance angle theta is given by theta is equal to tan inverse d by 2f, where d is the diameter of the spot formed on the screen and f is the distance of the screen from the source. And further, the numerical aperture of the given optical fiber is calculated as that is equal to sine theta, where theta is cone acceptance angle. The experiment is repeated by increasing the diameter of the spot in equal steps, and the corresponding value of f is also be recorded. And here is a tabular column for entering the readings. So first we have to start with the diameter of the spot is 8 mm and corresponding f value is recorded, and hence tan theta is equal to d by 2f will be calculated, and further theta is given by tan inverse d by 2f, and hence numerical aperture is equal to sine theta. The experiment is repeated by moving the screen away from the, that is moving the source away from the screen, and hence the diameter of the spot keep on increases. So we have to record the reading for the diameter 10 mm and 12 mm, 14 mm, 16 mm, 18 mm, 20 mm. So like this we have to conduct the experiment by moving the source away from the screen, and the diameter of the spot keep on increases, and in equal steps we have to record the corresponding value of f and hence tan theta value, and then theta, and then numerical aperture will be calculated. Finally, the average value of cone acceptance angle theta and the average value of numerical aperture of an optical fiber is recorded. So this is what the way of conducting the experiment, and the result will be recorded in this fashion. So the cone acceptance angle of the given optical fiber is theta, that is, and numerical aperture of the given optical fiber is recorded. So like this we have to enter the readings, and in the demo I have already explained how to conduct the experiment. So refer the demo of this experiment. Thank you.